Hey guys, welcome to this video. I hope you're doing great. I'm not doing so great because I've done something stupid, a little bit irresponsible towards the crazy side. So I feel completely stressed out and very nervous. At the same time, I also feel excited and energized. Let me explain. I bought a house. It's old and it's worn, and just like me, it's a diamond in the rough. It needs a lot of work, but it has a great potential. Welcome to my house, or should we say a cottage or a castle maybe. Let's go and have a look. Yeah, so this is the main building. It's one floor and then there's a basement as well. It's not so big, but it's mine at least. On the premises there is a small guest house as well. When they were building this house, they thought they put the sauna in here, but they ended up put it in the basement instead. One of the nice things about this property is, of course, the view over the lake. The house and so on is located a little bit uphill, so the slope down and the view is, of course, very nice. And close by there is a really nice place to go for the swim in the summer and in the winter. Imagine having a nice sauna in the basement here, then run up and over to the lake and have a nice cool swim. There is also a small shed and a double garage, which could be in better condition. Actually, the roof of the garage is in really poor condition, so needs to be, I think, completely replaced. I guess I have my free time scheduled for the foreseeable future. I will not show so much more of the house today, but I expect that I'm coming back with quite a few more videos showing the progress of this project, and also maybe have a house tour indoors and so. But that's it for this time. See you soon again.